Hi guys, welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Today we're making sugar-free strawberry jam. I cut the tops off these strawberries, then slice them in half. If you want smaller chunks of strawberries in your jam, you can chop them into smaller pieces. Also, if you want to use frozen strawberries, you can do that. It will come out exactly the same. You're also going to need Swerve sugar-free sweetener, flax seeds, and pectin. Pectin is a naturally occurring starch that is extracted from the cells of plant bulbs. If you want to know more about pectin, go to Food and Mood Creation, sign up for my weekly newsletter, and you will be notified as soon as it drops later this week. You do not have to add pectin to your jam, it is totally optional. There are also substitutes on the blog. Just click on the link in the description box below. You are also going to need lime juice and water. Most jam recipes call for lemon juice, but lime juice works better in my opinion. I ran out of lemons while making jam and I used lime juice and fell in love with it. I am just going to add the strawberries, the Swerve sugar-free sweetener, flax seeds, pectin, lime juice, and water to a pot and stir to combine. I am going to heat this over medium-high heat until it comes to a boil. A health benefit of strawberries is that they have the potential to protect against free radicals, which has a role in the progression of cancer. Another health benefit of strawberries is that they have antioxidant properties, which can decrease the risk of cardiovascular events by repressing low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol oxidation, promoting plaque stability, improving vascular and endothelial function, and decreasing the tendency for thrombosis. I mashed the strawberries off camera with a potato masher just to break them down a little bit further. Then I'm gonna decrease the heat to low and allow the jam to cook for 30 minutes. I'm going to remove the jam from the stove and pour it into this Pyrex liquid measuring glass and allow it to cool completely. This is how the jam came out. It was tart yet sweet, so it was perfect for me. If you prefer a sweeter jam, I would suggest adding 1 to 2 cups of Swerve sugar-free sweetener. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video.